Hello there guys, in this video I will show you how to add Q&A questions on TikTok. First guys, go on your profile section and then select the three dots icon on your right upper side. Right after that, go select for settings and privacy, and then you should go for managing your account. Now guys, here you need to make sure that if your account is a personal account, you need to switch it to a business account. In this case, we're gonna do it together. Go switch to business account. You need to wait and then go next. You need to choose a category. We'll go with this one. Go next. Now, as you can see, this account has been turned into a business account. Now go on your right upper side by clicking the three dots icon and go for creator tools. Here, as you can see, on the third selection I have a Q&A. Go click on it, and here are all sections which are included for your Q&A. If you go on your right upper side, you have that chance. If this button, the first section which says show on profile, is turned off, you need just to turn it on and then it will be shown on your profile. Now here also you can select who can invite you to answer questions. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.